I just started seeing my skin looking like this. Full of the interweb, welcome to my channel. My name is Ukachi. To my channel. Hi, how are you? I create content around natural hair, entrepreneurship, and lifestyle. So please consider subscribing to my channel if you love this kinds of content. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back home. So guys, today's video is just a different video. Okay, I want to share my experience with having hives. Yeah, guys, I had hives for a while. Okay, so without further ado, you know how we do. Let us get right into the video. First disclaimer, I'll be the only disclaimer. I am not a medical practitioner. I have no BSc or anything, any medical. All I have is a diploma in cosmetology, and I'm in 500 level elect. So if you're coming to me for medical advice, I'm only sharing it from my own experience. Okay, so what is hives? Hives is basically a skin rash. It is like an allergic reaction that occurs when you react to things like medicine. You can react to things like food, the environment, just something in the air, your skin coming in contact with something, you friction. So it can even be from you friction, like rubbing against your skin with force. Different things can cause hives, and this causes your body to release what they call histamines. Engineering doctor, histamines that cause your skin to have those patches on your skin, so like a rash in various concentrated areas. Okay, so guys, the reason I'm doing this video is because when I got the hives, I searched for hives woman of color. I didn't see anything on YouTube. No boy that looked like me I didn't even know what it looked like on a dark skinned person. It was from the white person's picture I saw that I said, oh, this is actually hives. Legit. I don't know. I did not know how, because there's literally little to almost no resource on how it looks on dark skinned people on YouTube, at least for sure. I checked. Okay, so that's what I'm doing this video. Okay, so what happened? How did I get my hives? I don't know what caused my own allergic reaction. All I knew was that a few weeks prior, I started getting patches on my skin on my arm. So I had like 6 on this. I'm just around here, my elbow here. So what I did, I put what's this thing called? I put Vista Plus on those patches. I'm like, oh, maybe I'm reacting to water or something. Then after a while, I'm going to have pictures on the screen so you guys can actually see. I just started seeing my skin looking like this. For those that don't know, my body skin, I had a horrible acne stage in my life. But my body skin, you can see how yellow and fresh. I used to wear long sleeve shirts, cover up head to toe, because my body skin is my freshest skin. If you see my legs, you'll be like, this girl's legs are fresh. So this was just like a very, very crazy thing for me. Okay, so I got the hives. I don't know what caused it. And when it became very bad, I was doing exams. I said, let me go to the hospital after the exams. And guys, my own hives were just crazy. It was on my hand, my wrist. It got here. Mostly where I did not have hair. There were patches on where I have hair, because I'm very hairy. There were patches where I had hair. I had it down my back, my thighs, my legs, my feet. Like, they were everybody. The only reason that I did not have hives was on my chest and my tummy, legit. Every other place I had hives on, okay? And the one on my back, here did not even itch at all. The one on my back, it was so itchy, guys. It was so itchy. I'm like, it's meant to even itch. No problem, Sha. The thing about it that it made me feel, how it made me feel? It made me feel very insecure on my arms. I didn't mind it was on my body. Nobody has seen it, I'm not seeing it. But I will have to enter public transport and have to like help people pass their money or give somebody change. And the person is literally staring at my wrist area, my hand. It made me feel so insecure. So when I entered the bus, I'll just shift to one corner and do my hand like this, just to cover my hand, because I'll put my hand in my pocket or something, because it made me feel so insecure about my hands. And after I was like, now hives I get, no be anything. But the thing was that the average person does not know what hives is. So even me, if I'd entered the bus and I saw somebody with hands like my own, I'd have shifted away. Let me say the truth, okay? So what did I do? When I got the hives, I went to hospital after 2 or 3 weeks. 2 weeks I went to hospital. They gave me hydrocot IV injection and antihistamine. So this is what to counter the histamines that are being released by my body. They gave me loratadine, and then they were like, okay, take it for so. I'm not giving you guys a prescription. Go to hospital, let me talk to you, I beg. Take it for so and so. So I took it for so and so days. But my hives did not go away. They were still there after taking this thing for over a week extra. I'm like, this drug, they work in. But I'm like, okay, let me take matters into my own hands. Let me start trying to do things from my own angle, okay? So what I did first was, even before going to hospital, I stopped using adult products. So adult soap, body wash, anything adult, something, body lotion, I stopped everything. Sunscreen, I stopped everything. I started using baby products, okay? So I got 8 bars of this Frozen's baby soap. Guys, let me plug you guys on something. Baby products are cheaper than adult products, and they are better than adult products. This costs 150. A bar of Dove soap is like 900 now. This is 150. 4 of this is 900 naira. Abi, yeah, let's select 6. 6 of this is 900 naira. 6. Yeah, 6. 900 naira. And 1 Dove bar soap is nice. So I can use it all over my body, face, body, neck, anywhere. This is safe. So I started using baby soap, and I'm going to be on this for a very long while, okay? And so I started using baby lotion and baby oil, guys. I bought it. I went all out to buy baby products. I said, you think I wanted to? When I was like, congratulations, sister. I said, thank you. You know everything they stop. So I got baby lotion also, and baby oil. So I use this in the daytime, and I used to use it in the night. So I got this later on. I got this like earlier. So after getting this, I said, okay, now I'm going to quit exfoliating. So I stopped using like sponge. I don't used to use the bar soap on my skin, because when you try to exfoliate or do frictional moves on your body with this, when you have hives, it's going to make it to get worse, okay? And mine just kept on getting progressively worse, because I'm so light skinned here. It's not even that light on camera. In real life, it's even lighter. I was always red. Like, hair was always red. I was always red. Anywhere there's pressure, it makes it just turn red. But anywho, now my hives have gone. So after taking the hospital, I said, this is not going. Let me just go to. I went to the pharmacy. I spoke to an actual pharmacist, and he was like, okay, now does it itch? He said I should take like antibiotics. I'm like, oh. I was like, I don't like drug. I'll take it. And I said I should get calamine lotion, because of my back used to itch so much. I used to put this on my back, shake it and apply it to your back. Calamine lotion. And he recommended this cream called GDEM. It's multi-action skin cream, antifungal. Can see how I've squeezed it. I used to rub it on my hand twice, sometimes 3 times a day. And when I started using this thing, like on dates, so I was using this cream after, like my hives it just dried. It literally just dried up, which is very crazy. And for context, I had hives here. I still have I'll show you guys pictures of the cream, because this won't pick it up well. The dry skin. I had hives on my palms. Guys, this is so messy. So the aftermath of the hives was, it gave me dry skin. So my body skin now is just dry. I don't even know that's going to be normal. My skin is dry. My skin is flaky, peeling. I can literally peel my skin like this. Like, it's peeling it's very, very crazy. I have dry skin now, but one thing I'm grateful about having the hives is I now got onto baby products. So I'm saving money. I'm evil, guys, so I'm saving money. It also helps me kind of to people, because I said if I was somebody in a bus and somebody entered with hives on their skin, and I don't know anything about hives, if I had not had hives, and I don't know, I'll literally shift away from them in the bus. But now, like, I'm a lot more kinder. I'm not. That really helps me get kind. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And I want to add this. I started adding disinfectant to my water. This is Tetmosol. You can get Dettol. I don't buy Dettol because it's more expensive than this one is cheaper. That's the truth. I mean, I was doing a lot of trial and error. I'm like, if I'm going to do trial and error, I cannot be now spending so much money on trial and error. That's why I got Tetmosol. I think this is actually very nice. I really like it, at least. So I'll keep on buying this until I probably go home. I'll get the huge gallon of Savlon. Now like 3 liters, maybe 2 liters. I'll buy the huge gallon of Savlon. I feel like it's more affordable for that size. Okay, but this is what I use currently at the moment. So this is done, sharp. I just added this to my water. I want to take my bath constantly. And for the first time, I can say for the first time since I got hives, like over a month ago, I tried to use sponge on my skin today, so I can finally exfoliate my skin because my hives have gone. Thank you, Jesus. I'm very, very happy, you guys. This thing used to boost my mental health. Low-key. So I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys learned anything or to tell me if you've ever had hives before in the comments. What the hives I had was acute. I think it's got acute urticaria. Those that have it for longer than 6 weeks, their own is more chronic urticaria. So mine is acute. It might actually come back, but God forbid that it will come back on my skin. Okay, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram, Natural Catchy, TikTok, Natural Catchy, Facebook, Natural Catchy, YouTube, subscribe, 25k subscribers soon, LinkedIn, professional influencer. And I think I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to faith it till you make it. Bye.